Ready to start using Turnitin in Canvas, but not sure how? In this ICT, I'll walk you through the steps of using Turnitin as an external tool in a Canvas assignment. Hi, I'm Brenda, one of the Tech and Innovation coaches, and I'm here to show you how to use Turnitin as an external tool in a Canvas assignment. There are two ways to use Turnitin within Canvas. One way is via external tools. The other is by enabling the Plagiarism Framework tool. In this video, we will review the steps for using Turnitin via external tools. To make a choice about which method will work best for you and your students, please refer to the feature matrix located in the Canvas 2021 Adventure course on the Turnitin page. This comparison of the two methods lists the various features available when using either the external tool or the Plagiarism Framework tool. Let's get started. Once you've opened your Canvas course, select Assignments or create an assignment through Modules. Once in the assignment window, enter a title and directions for your students, set your points, indicate assignment groups if you're using those, select how you'd like your grades displayed in your gradebook, and whether or not the assignment will count towards the final course grade. And select External Tool for submission type. Click on and scroll until you find the Turnitin tool. Click on Turnitin and select. You can decide if you'd like to load the tool in a new tab for students or not. I do recommend checking this box so that students will have both their Canvas and their Turnitin open at the same time. Decide who will receive the assignment and select your due date. Then click Save or Save and Publish if you're ready for students to access. When students log in, they will see the assignment title and directions and a button to click to load the assignment in a new window. Click on that button now, and you'll be able to select your Turnitin settings. You can provide additional instructions, as well as decide if you'd like to enable the Peer Mark feature for this assignment. Peer Mark is a peer review assignment tool. Instructors can create and manage Peer Mark assignments that allow students to read, review, and evaluate one or more papers submitted by their classmates. Using the advanced options, instructors can choose whether the reviews are anonymous or attribute them to a student. Click on Additional Settings to access a variety of tools and options for your Turnitin assignments. You can select if you would like papers submitted or not, what file types, whether or not you'll allow late submissions, whether or not you'll be enabling the grammar checking tool using the ETS eReader from Turnitin. Using the ETS eReader, you also have the option of selecting which handbook to apply, as well as the categories you would like the reader to check. You can add a rubric and decide how you would like student submissions compared. You have additional options for the similarity report for student submissions. You can then decide if you'd like to save these settings for future use. If you select this box, these will become your default settings for future assignments. You can always change them for individual assignments or update your default settings by clicking on the Optional Settings link. When you're finished, click Submit. Your assignments using Turnitin via external tool is now ready for student submissions.